Welcome to Santorini, a captivating island in the Aegean Sea, where nature's forces have shaped a landscape that continues to inspire awe and wonder. Known for its breathtaking views, rich history, and stunning sunsets, Santorini is more than just a popular tourist destination. It's a place of timeless beauty, where the blue of the sea meets the brilliance of the sky, and every corner of the island whispers the stories of ancient civilizations. From the volcanic caldera that defines its shape to the iconic whitewashed villages perched atop cliffs, Santorini is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Santorini is renowned for its whitewashed villages, which are clustered on the caldera's edge. These villages, including the famous Oia, Thira, and Imeravigli, are a vision of stark contrast against the deep blue of the sea below. The iconic blue-domed roofs, narrow cobbled streets, and charming courtyards create a picturesque scene that is a photographer's dream. The architecture, although minimalist in style, reflects a long history of adaptation to the island's harsh volcanic environment. These villages were built to withstand the region's strong winds and seismic activity, and their beauty is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of those who have lived here for centuries. The history of Santorini is deeply intertwined with its volcanic origins. The island's caldera, a massive volcanic crater, was formed by a cataclysmic eruption around 3,600 years ago. This eruption is one of the largest in recorded history, and it reshaped the entire island. The explosion left a massive hole in the center of the island, creating the caldera, and resulted in the sinking of part of the land into the sea. The eruption also had far-reaching effects on the ancient Minoan civilization, which inhabited the island at the time. Evidence of this ancient society can still be found at the Akrotiri archaeological site, a city buried by volcanic ash. Akrotiri is often referred to as the Pompeii of the Aegean, as it was perfectly preserved under the ash, providing invaluable insights into the advanced Minoan culture, which thrived in this region before the eruption. Santorini's beaches are another unique feature of the island, thanks to its volcanic past. Unlike other Greek islands, the beaches of Santorini are not covered in the typical golden sands, but instead are home to black, red, and white sands, creating a dramatic landscape. The most famous of these is Red Beach, where red cliffs rise up from the dark volcanic sand, providing a striking contrast to the deep turquoise waters of the sea. The beaches at Kamari and Pyrgos are also well known for their long stretches of black sand, ideal for sunbathing or a leisurely swim. The geological history of the island plays a large role in the creation of these beaches, with volcanic eruptions depositing unique mineral-rich rocks and sands along the shoreline. Santorini's vineyards are a vital part of the island's culture and economy. The volcanic soil, combined with a dry and sunny climate, creates perfect conditions for grape cultivation. The island's unique vine-growing techniques have been passed down through generations. Despite being famous for its dramatic caldera views and pristine beaches, Santorini's inland villages offer a peaceful retreat from the more tourist-heavy areas. Villages like Pyrgos, Megalochori, and Emporio are full of charm, with narrow, winding streets and traditional Cycladic architecture. These villages are less commercialized than the more famous spots like Oia, and they give visitors a sense of what life on the island might have been like before the influx of tourism. Pyrgos, for instance, is home to a beautiful medieval castle, offering panoramic views of the entire island. The quiet charm of these inland areas provides a refreshing contrast to the bustling caldera towns and is perfect for those looking to experience Santorini's authentic side. Santorini is also a food lover's paradise, with a cuisine that reflects the island's agricultural heritage. The volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, providing the perfect conditions for the growth of many unique fruits and vegetables. Fava, a yellow split pea dish, is one of the island's signature dishes, made from locally grown peas that are soft, creamy, and full of flavor. Another local favorite is tomato keftides, a type of tomato fritter made from Santorini's small, sweet tomatoes. The island's cuisine is also heavily focused on fresh seafood, with many restaurants offering dishes made with local fish, squid, and octopus, all prepared with the freshest ingredients. Visitors can experience these dishes at the many local tavernas that dot the island, where the food is often prepared with a personal touch and served with a warm smile. As the day comes to a close, Santorini's sunsets are famous the world over. Oya is perhaps the most well-known spot for watching the sunset, as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the caldera. However, if you seek a quieter experience, there are other spots on the island, such as Pyrgos, where you can enjoy the same stunning views without the crowds. The colors of the sunset, ranging from deep oranges and reds to soft pinks and purples, reflect off the whitewashed buildings and the tranquil sea below, creating a magical atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. After sunset, the island comes alive with a different kind of energy. Santorini has a vibrant nightlife, offering everything from chic rooftop bars with stunning views to intimate tavernas playing traditional Greek music. Thira is the heart of the island's nightlife scene, with its bustling streets lined with bars, clubs, and restaurants. However, Oya, with its quieter and more romantic atmosphere, offers a more laid-back vibe, perfect for those who want to sip a cocktail while watching the stars twinkle above the caldera. For those interested in cultural experiences, Santorini hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, including the Santorini Jazz Festival and the Feast of St. John in late June, which celebrates the island's traditions through music, food, and dance. Santorini is also home to some hidden gems that are often overlooked by the typical tourist routes. For those willing to venture off the beaten path, there are countless opportunities to explore the island's more secluded areas. Vlychada Beach, for example, is a quieter alternative to the more popular spots like Kamari and Parissa, surrounded by towering white cliffs. This beach offers a serene atmosphere, perfect for those looking to escape the crowds. The striking moon-like landscape of Vlychada is a result of centuries of volcanic erosion, and it has become a favorite spot for photographers seeking unique and dramatic scenery. Another hidden gem is Akrotiri, a small uninhabited island just off the southwestern coast of Santorini. Accessible only by boat, it offers pristine waters and untouched landscapes, providing a sense of exclusivity and natural beauty that is hard to find elsewhere on the island. For those with an interest in historical exploration, Santorini offers a treasure trove of ancient sites that reveal the island's rich past. One of the most fascinating places to visit is the ancient Thira, located on a high ridge on the island's southeastern side. The panoramic views from the top of the mountain are breathtaking, providing a glimpse of what life was like in ancient times. Another must-see is the Santorini Archaeological Museum in Thira, which houses a collection of artifacts from the island's long history, including pottery, statues, and ancient tools that showcase the island's pivotal role in the Aegean world. These sites are often less crowded than other tourist spots, allowing for a more reflective and immersive experience. Santorini is more than just a popular tourist destination. It is a place of deep history, natural beauty, and cultural richness. From the stunning volcanic landscapes and whitewashed villages to the world-class wines and vibrant sunsets, Santorini offers an experience unlike any other. Whether you're lounging on a black sand beach, sipping a glass of Assyrtiko, or exploring ancient ruins, Santorini invites you to discover its timeless charm and the stories that lie beneath its surface. This island, shaped by fire and wind, continues to captivate visitors with its beauty and mystery, making it a place that beckons travelers from around the world to return again and again.